This video will show you how to install PS Mobile so that you can print from your iPad. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the PS Mobile app. You can do a search for PS Mobile. You will see a checkerboard kind of app that we will use for printing. Now, if you don't see this on your iPad, then please go to Self-Service and install it from Self-Service. To begin with, some screens may show up that you'll need to close. So the first one is on Release Notes. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll just click Close. And the next one is about improving the quality of our products. And you can click in the lower left-hand corner, you can click Cancel to that. Now, you may see an Add Printer at the top, and if you don't, at the bottom, you'll see a Select Printer in the bottom right-hand corner. If you press the Select Printer, then the Add Printer button comes up, and you can press the Add Printer button. In this box that appears, there are two blue buttons at the top that say Auto and Manual, and right next door is a QR code. We're going to press the QR code button. Now, there should be a QR code for the printer that you want to use. If this is your first time setting this up, it may ask you to use your camera, so you will click OK to allow that. And then you're going to scan the QR code, and it's going to select the printer for you. Then simply click the blue Add button. Now, if this doesn't go through right away, simply try again. Once it's been added, you can click OK, and then you can close the Add Printer button. There are a couple of things that we need to set on this printer settings box. First of all, at the bottom where it says Username and Optional, if you press there, we're going to turn on the number keyboard and type 4 nines, 9999. And then we're going to close the keyboard. And then in the middle, right next to Authentication, you're going to press the Print button. And the print type on the top line in the middle says one-sided. And if I press that, we want to change that to two-sided, so the default will be two-sided when we print. And then at the top, I'm going to press the print settings to go back. And now my PS Mobile is set for me to print.